Hey guys, this is Ella from MAXIZM Construction Machinery Limited Company. Today I will show you our SANY SY60C Pro 6-ton small crawler excavator. Volumes are 0.1 cubic meter to 0.28 cubic meter. The standard bucket is 0.25 cubic meter. Of course, you can choose different accessories according to your needs, like squeak hitch, hydraulic grapple, hydraulic brake, and so on. Now, let's check the cabin. Air conditioner, adjustable seat, and a large space can ensure to provide you a comfortable driving experience. The engine of this machine is Japanese Mitsubishi engine. The rated power is 36 kW. This excavator with high power, low fuel consumption, and high machine life. If you want to know more details about this machine, please contact me. Feel free. Bye.